Hello. In this session, we are going to see about essential phrases for phone call. Before we go through that, this thing is related to communication, which we saw in the earlier, that is the previous session video, uh, beginning a conference call. If you see now, especially in this globalization time, communication is very important, and having the communicative skill is very essential. Yeah, if you see communication, we have got types of communications. Well, you may be well advanced related to this topic, communication. So I would like just give some types of communications which I think you two will agree with me. Okay, so first verbal, that is a verbal communication, non-verbal communication, facial expressions. Yeah, facial expressions is also is a communication. I think you might have heard the popular proverb something, okay, which says like this: face is the index of mind. In Tamil they say agatin alagu mugathil theriyum. Yeah, so facial expression is also is a type of communication. Then gestures, hobo signs, emoticons, visuals, and probably nowadays we can take WhatsApp status also is a type of communication which is used to tell about what the person that he or she they feel. Okay, now let us come back to our subject. If you have watched the previous session, means you can relate this, because in that one I told you that in my next video I will uh, try to brief about telephone phrasal verbs, which belongs to unit 3. Okay, in that one we are seeing communication, English. Okay, communicative English. In that one, first one is beginning a conference call. Okay, that how to begin a conference call, and what are the things all related to conference call, all that I have said in that session. Okay, and this is the continuation of the previous one, in which I told that I will tell you some phrasal verbs, okay, which are commonly used nowadays, okay, uh, for communication, especially verbal communication, okay, that is on phone. Yeah, uh, mm, probably if you get call phone call, that is this one is for formal verbal communication. So informal verbal communication, it depends upon the intimacy level that the speaker or the caller, okay, whoever calls. Okay, let us come back to the subject, and now we are very much concerned about the formal telephone for phrasal verbs. Okay, so in formal, what is that? Yeah, just now I was telling you that conference call. Okay, so probably we generally we have got in our mind that what we that is a conference call, probably it will be only among friends. No, okay, especially in this pandemic time, everyone we have come to know, and we have experienced that conference call for a official purpose, okay, that is formal purpose, okay, or for study purpose, it depends. Okay, It depends means whether he is a student or he or she. Okay, what is it, meal maker. Okay, depends upon the category. Okay. uh, in the previous session I told you, no, that I got a call from some what is that, organization related to have that insurance, isn't it? So actually that was a conference. I am just giving from my own experience. Okay, because the person from the other side who called me is totally a stranger. Okay, because I think the call, it came from Salem, related to some life insurance, and they were asking from, yeah, private one. Okay, and that one asking me to avail their insurance policy or whatever it is. So that time there was a person who introduced. Okay, and he or she, they asked my permission, yeah, whether they can have some time to explain. Then I said, okay, yeah, go ahead. Okay, and then the introducer asked me to, what is that, hang on. Okay, then she told me that she is going to connect to somebody else. Okay, then the process, it just went on, and actually if you see means three persons were there: the introducer, the person representative of that company or organization, whatever it is, and myself. So the conference call was going between three. To me, the two, okay, that is the persons who what represented themselves on behalf of that business company. Okay. So if you see means there was, that is the introducer. Okay, she told me that hang on. Okay, hold on, then speak up now. Okay, all these things. Okay, and alhamdulillah, I thought that for a formal this conference call, there are some phrases, okay, which we have to be familiar with, so that we can understand. So on screen you can see some of the phrases. Okay, I'm not saying that I have given you all the phrases. Oh, this is the ultimatum. Okay, it's not so. Just the thing that what I was able to get from net. Okay, internet. I managed it, and I have given that these things would be enough to be considered as a basis. Okay, that is the foundation. Okay, now see, for example, speak up. I told you, know, that she asked us to speak up after connecting, okay, in that conference call. So what does it mean to speak up? Means, it means to speak louder. Okay, then that is to increase our volume. Tone. Okay, then get through, what does it mean? To contact by telephone. Okay, then hang on. Yeah, this phrasal verb that I told you, know, that she asked me to hang on, what does it mean? To wait for a short time. Then call back. So what is call back? To return a phone call. Okay, then break up. Yeah, it just goes on like hold on, put through, hang on, cut off, pick up. Yeah, that. Just like a hint, I would like to give the one phrasal verb. Okay, just like a hint, that too just for best comprehension. The word break up. Okay, uh, that is few decades back. Breakup means yeah, breakup, maybe probably hot breakup. Okay, but now see, what does mean this breakup is taken into account when we use this word over telephone, especially having a what is it, verbal communication. Breakup means, if we say breakup means to be inaudible, okay, over the mobile phone. Yeah, nowadays we are having lot of breakups. That means on phone, that is with the person with whom we are having the verbal communication, we are having this we are. Well, I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for your presence. Thanks again. Bye.